Every morning trucks arrive here. They are filled with grapes that are still just a fruit. But very soon, a hidden process is about to begin inside these fresh grapes, which completely changes their identity. Not every grape passes. The first filtering happens here, where most of the material gets rejected. This conveyor is not just transporting, it is deciding who will survive and who will become waste. Now the grapes enter the industrial washing system, where high-pressure water removes surface impurities. At this stage, the grapes are dipped in a special solution that dramatically speeds up the drying process. This reaction does not break the skin, but modifies it enough so that moisture can easily escape. Now the grapes are spread on trays. This is the point where the real transformation begins. In a single field, 50,000 kilos of grapes are drying together. Thousands of trays are processed every day. Industrial dryers run 24 hours. One machine can convert 20 tons of grapes into raisins daily. In this hall, 80,000 kilos of grapes are being processed at one time. Temperature and airflow are perfectly controlled. Each grape loses 70% of its moisture. This shrinking is the actual moment of becoming a raisin. If even a little extra moisture remains, the entire batch can become fungal. No compromise is allowed here. The machine removes stems at high speed. Even a small mistake can damage the entire product. A laser-based sorting system scans each raisin. Imperfect pieces are instantly rejected. Even after reaching here, 40% of the raisins get rejected. Quality is decided here. Only the best raisins are selected. This is the export quality product that gets a premium price in the market. Automatic machines fill dozens of packets every second. Airtight sealing locks in freshness. Thousands of packets are ready for shipment. Now they will be sent to the global market. From a simple grape to a premium raisin. This is the complete journey of a billion-dollar industry. Every single year, over 1 million tons of grapes enter facilities like this. And what happens inside transforms them into one of the most traded dry fruits on earth, worth billions globally. Behind these walls, a silent process unfolds, where time, temperature, and precision turn fragile fresh fruit into a product that can last for months without spoiling. But what really happens between the moment these grapes arrive and the moment they become the raisins you eat? And why is this process so carefully controlled? To preserve maximum sugar concentration levels. Each batch undergoes strict inspection, where defective grapes are removed to prevent spoilage and maintain consistent drying quality standards. Workers carefully unload crates onto stainless steel conveyor systems designed to move at controlled speeds, preventing damage to grape skins. Grapes enter a high-pressure washing tunnel where filtered water removes dust, pesticide residue, and microscopic contaminants effectively. After washing, grapes move through air-drying chambers where controlled airflow removes surface moisture before the drying process begins. At this stage, every grape batch is evenly distributed across perforated trays to ensure uniform exposure during the critical dehydration phase. Trays loaded with golden green grapes enter pre-treatment chambers where alkaline solutions weaken grape skins to accelerate moisture evaporation during drying. This chemical dipping process lasts only a few minutes, yet significantly reduces total drying time by up to 50%. After treatment, grapes are transferred onto large mesh conveyor systems designed to maximize airflow around every individual fruit. Industrial drying tunnels maintain temperatures between 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, carefully controlled to prevent sugar caramelization or burning. Powerful ventilation systems circulate hot air evenly across trays, ensuring consistent dehydration without creating moisture pockets within grape clusters. The drying process can take up to 24 hours, depending on grape size, humidity levels, and precise temperature calibration. Sensors continuously monitor moisture levels inside grapes, automatically adjusting airflow and temperature to maintain optimal dehydration conditions. At this stage, grapes begin shrinking as water content drops from nearly 80% to below 20%. Color transformation gradually shifts from fresh golden green to light amber as sugars concentrate and natural oxidation occurs. Any inconsistency in drying conditions can result in uneven texture, making strict environmental control critical at every stage. After drying, raisins exit tunnels with moisture levels reduced to approximately 15%, ensuring long shelf life and storage stability. Cooling chambers gradually bring down temperature to prevent condensation that could reintroduce moisture and spoil entire batches. Raisins are then transferred onto vibration conveyors that gently separate clumped pieces without damaging delicate wrinkled surfaces. Mechanical shakers and air jets remove loose stems, dust particles, and residual debris left from earlier processing stages. At this point, raisins pass through magnetic separators to eliminate any microscopic metal contaminants from industrial equipment exposure. High-speed grading machines classify raisins based on size, color uniformity, and texture, using multi-layered screening systems. Premium-grade raisins are separated for export markets, where consistency and appearance directly impact international pricing and demand. Lower-grade raisins are redirected for use in processed foods such as cereals, baked goods, and industrial food manufacturing. Quality control teams conduct random sampling tests, checking moisture levels, sugar concentration, and microbial safety before packaging approval. Only batches meeting strict international standards proceed to the final packaging stage, ensuring safety, consistency, and extended shelf stability. Raisins move into automated packaging lines, where precise weighing systems measure exact quantities for retail and bulk distribution units. High-speed filling machines deposit measured raisins into packaging bags at rates exceeding 200 units per minute. Vacuum sealing systems remove excess air from packages, extending shelf life and maintaining product freshness over extended periods. Heat sealing units close packages instantly, ensuring airtight protection against contamination, humidity, and microbial growth during storage. Each package is printed with production codes, expiration dates, and traceability information for strict quality tracking across supply chains. Automated labeling machines apply branding, nutritional information, and certification labels required for international food safety regulations. Finished packages move through metal detectors and X-ray scanners to ensure absolute product safety before leaving the facility. Bulk cartons are assembled and filled with packaged raisins, preparing them for palletizing and large-scale distribution logistics. Robotic palletizing arms stack cartons with millimeter precision, optimizing storage space and ensuring stability during global shipping operations.